Struggling to send money to friends or family without all the fees and hassle? Money with Wings ever wish there was a super easy, fast, and free way to pay people back, split bills, or send gifts? Well, there is, and it's called Zelle. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set it up for the first time, so you can start zipping money around in just a few minutes. Getting started, the basics. First things first, what is Zelle? It's a payment network that partners with hundreds of banks and credit unions across the U.S. and allows you to send money to almost anyone with a U.S. bank account. The best part? It's fast and free. Unlike some other apps, your money moves directly from your bank account to theirs, often in minutes. So, how do you get started? You have two main options. The easiest way is to check if Zelle is already in your bank's mobile app. Most major banks, like Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, and many more, have it built right in. This is the best route because you don't have to download anything new. Just open your bank's app, look for Zelle, and you're halfway there. The setup process. Once you find the Zelle option in your bank's app, the setup is a breeze. You'll likely be asked to confirm your email address or U.S. mobile phone number. This is your Zelle identity. Make sure to use one that you can easily access. A few taps to confirm and boom, you're enrolled. You'll probably see a screen that says something like you're all set to send and receive money with Zelle. It's really that simple. But what if your bank doesn't have Zelle built into its app? No worries. You can still use it. Just go to your app store, download the standalone Zelle app, and link it to your U.S. checking or savings account. You'll need to enter your bank's routing and account numbers to complete this step. The Zelle app acts as the go-between, connecting you to the Zelle network just like your bank's app would. Sending your first payment. Now that you're all set up, let's send some cash. To send money, you'll need the recipient's U.S. mobile phone number or email address. That's it, no need for their bank details. Just select Send within the Zelle section of your app, enter the recipient's info, type in the amount, and maybe add a quick note like "for lunch" or "happy birthday." Double-check everything, hit send, and the money is on its way. The recipient will get a notification, and if they're also enrolled with Zelle, the money will land in their account within minutes. And that's it. In a nutshell, to use Zelle for the first time, check if it's in your bank's app. If so, enroll with your email or phone number. If not, download the Zelle app and link your bank account. You're now ready to send and receive money with ease. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.